If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The photo filter adjustment in Photoshop lets you adjust the hue of a photo. This adjustment mimics the effect of placing a filter in front of a camera lens to change the color balance and temperature of the light captured by the camera lens. To apply a photo filter adjustment to a selected raster layer or smart object layer in Photoshop, select Image, Adjustments, Photo Filter from the menu bar to show the adjustment settings in the Photo Filter dialog box that opens. Then make sure the Preview checkbox in the dialog box is checked to preview your changes. Alternatively, to apply this adjustment as an adjustment layer above the layer currently selected in the Layers panel, click the Photo Filter button in the Adjustments panel to add a new photo filter adjustment layer to the Layers panel and show the same adjustment settings in the Properties panel. To preserve color luminosity when making photo filter adjustments, ensure the Preserve Luminosity checkbox is checked. To apply a photo filter preset if desired, select the Filter Option button and then select the name of a preset to use from the Filter dropdown. Alternatively, to apply a custom photo filter color adjustment using a color you choose, select the Color option. Then click the adjacent color swatch to open the Color Picker Photo Filter Color dialog box. To set the hue, click and drag up or down in the rainbow gradient. To set the color saturation for the hue, click and drag in the large gradient square in the dialog box. Then click the OK button in the Color Picker Photo Filter Color dialog box after selecting the desired photo filter color. To set the density of the selected filter or color, click and drag the density slider left or right to decrease or increase the intensity of the filter effect. To apply the photo filter adjustment if using the photo filter dialog box, click the OK button. Alternatively, to cancel the adjustment and close the dialog box, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.